It's 10 minutes from my class.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ashley. Happy birthday to you.
Flow. Flow.
There's a unicorn. Happy birthday. Yay! Mag-shopping ka. Sa labas?
Hindi yun.
There in the kitchen. Go in the kitchen. Kitchen.
Diyan sa may block.
Go and kiss Nina. Come home.
Sa kay Janet kay Nico.
Thank you.
What's that?
Thank you.
Thank you!
Fashionista.
Para to sa mami, bigay ni Kabayan. Or sa mami.
Buti marami kayong kwarto yun ng playroom. Kalat mo na lahat.
Sino yun eh? Si nanay yan, kasi ano, si tatay.
Ito pa oh. Andito yung card yata.
No, pinatong ko lang.
Oo, anak ko.
Magkasabay yata to. Pareho yung wrapper.
Oo.
Ang ganda niya, no? Wow!
Wow!
What's that?
Ah, nice one!
What's this?
Wala na siya.
Ay, nalo po sa malaki.
Nandito yung kanina.
Okay.
May maliit. Ay, kaya kayo!
Ay, ari pala, ari yan tayo.
Hindi yan! Hindi mo yan handwriting.
Asan yun?
Dapat nasa kanya yan.
Oh, octopus.
Ah, si Ate Jean. Mami ka sa mama mo. Ano ka mukhang pira?
Lagay na yung salvan.
Oh, come here, it's one. Come here. Si Mami Buena kasi sabi buksan ang mga regalo, hindi man natulong. Kumain daw siya.
Pop.
Baby doll.
Oh, it's cute.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, so cute. Wow, baby.
Yeah. Oh, what?
The baby stuff.
Oh my God. Look at her. Ha? Actually, look at you. Mama.
She wants mama.
Go, Mommy. Mommy, get her out.
Baby's crying.
There. She wants you to help her. Open it.
Pag hindi stick, oh baby. Anak!
Help the baby out.
Ashley, look! What color is this?
Pink.
Oh,
Wow.
pink color.
Thanks.
Green.
Pagkain at sa akin.
Open na. Sa pagkain natin. For Lola. Ni Lola. Lola. Ah, si ano yata.
Where do you want to go?
Ayaw na niya kami. Kaya na sa kanya na. Agibak.
Wow! What's this?
Toy. Wow.
Naliligo. Narukala sa bahay.
Wow.
Slap her.
Oh, kiss. Slap. Oh, Wow! Hug, hug, hug. Kanino galing? Wow!
Bunny! Bunny!
Thank you, Top. Say hug, 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 hug. Give hug, 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 hug. Thank you. Ashley! Wala na, gusto na yung ayaw na niya.